This is a technology that I use every day. You can paste in some text, some words, or even some sentences, choose a voice, and it will be read out in a native-like accent. There are loads of accents to choose from, and the best thing is this tool offers a very good free option. Ideal for pronunciation, ideal for listening and reading. Let me show you. So the website is called naturalreaders.com. Click on Get Started and click on Personal. Close the text that is on the screen and just paste in any text that you have copied, or just write some sentences or some words on the screen. So I'm going to paste in some text. I'm then going to click here and choose a voice. We have many voices. I'll start with English from the UK. I'll choose here and I'll work with Sonia. Now let's listen to Sonia reading out this text. Just click on this button.
Russell Stannard is a multi-award-winning educational technologist and founder of www.teachertrainingvideos.com. He has more than 80,000 subscribers on his YouTube channel.
We can change the voice. Let's say, for example, that we want to work with a different voice. We can even choose another accent. Let's choose William from Australia. And if we click now, William will continue reading out the text.
He received awards from the British Council Eltons, the Times Higher and the University of Westminster for his work in the use of ICT in education.
This is also a great tool for pronunciation. Let me show you. So I've written some words into Natural Readers that I want to hear pronounced because I want to copy and make sure I'm saying them correctly. Let's listen to William pronouncing these words for me.
Photographer. Photo. Photograph. Practical. Perspective. Accommodation.
Absolutely brilliant. Now remember, you can use this technology in multiple languages. I use it a lot in Polish, sometimes in Spanish and French. You also have a massive range of English accents that you can work with. If you want more free videos on how to use technology in language teaching, please come over to teachertrainingvideos.com. There's loads of content, including a special section of AI videos. If you really want to follow my work, sign up to the newsletter. If you sign up to the newsletter, at the moment there is a free 14-part video course in how to use technology in language teaching, where I focus on most of the best free tools that are available. There are no tricks, and you get sent one video every 3 or 4 days.